In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Slides. Whether you're crafting a presentation for school, work, or a personal project, effectively organizing your information with bullet points can make your slides more engaging and easier to understand. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser. Once it loads, you'll need to sign in to access your Google account. So head to the sign in option, and if you haven't yet logged in, choose your account from the given list. Type in your password when prompted, and then hit Next to proceed. This will allow you access to all of Google's integrated tools and services. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see a grid of small squares. This is essentially your gateway to the Google apps. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll need to scroll down a bit until you see the icon for Google Slides and give it a click. At this point, you'll be taken to the homepage of Google Slides, where you should see a list of your available presentations. Choose the one you're working on and click on it to open. With your presentation open in front of you, navigate to the specific slide where you'd like to add bullet points. You need to click inside an existing text box on your selected slide. To convert a plain list of text into bulleted points, select the lines of text that you wish to format. Highlight them carefully to ensure all relevant text is included. Now focus on the main formatting toolbar situated near the top of your screen, just right above your slide. Google Slides provides an intuitive set of tools here to help you format your text efficiently. Look for the icon that resembles three horizontal lines with a dot next to each line. This is your bullet point feature. Go ahead and click on it. Instantly, your selected lines of text will be transformed into a neatly organized bulleted list. This simple step not only enhances the visual appeal of your slide, but also helps emphasize key points, making the information more digestible for your audience. Make sure to review your slide to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Adjustments can always be made if needed, allowing for a truly tailored presentation experience. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your presentation skills and create visually compelling slides with ease. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has helped you master the art of adding bullet points in Google Slides. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to elevate your digital presentation game. Happy presenting!